Hello friends, welcome to my Techno PK. I am Shujat. As we are working on the VLookup formula in Excel, how to use VLookup formula in Excel. We have done learning so far about the basics of VLookup formula. So now we will move to more advanced topics of VLookup, and that is how to use VLookup formula in data validation list. And if you want to watch the earlier video of this VLookup formula, please click on the I button to access the earlier one. We have come to this point that if we apply VLookup in contrast with the cell, it will change itself when we type a value in employee ID cell. That is, employee ID cell and type 1232. And name cell change to Muktar. Now we create drop down list for employee ID for applying data validation. So for applying the validation, we need to create a validation list. We have to click on the cell and then data from menu item and select data validation, and in settings allow select list. If you want to know more about for data validation, please click on I button and now creating list and click on source and select list, make selection and click OK. So we have now a drop pair and I will click it and select any of the list item, and you can see name has changed itself. Now you can see we have a drop down appear to the cell employee ID, and if we click on drop down and select any of the item or ID, it will the name cell will change itself and will VLookup change its value. So friends, hope you found this video useful, and please watch this video multiple times so that you can easily understand the topic and clarify any doubts. For watching the earlier video and other videos of VLookup, please check my channel and access the playlist from it. For earlier video, for last video, VLookup of other videos can be approached from I button or playlist for my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like the video. Thank you.